Alright guys, mayoknight here and doing a Battle of Chaos box opening. So I bought this in local shop nearby my place, and luckily they sold this kind of product. And plus they had this anniversary, or not anniversary, but they had this promo. If I buy a certain amount of dollars, I can get this Lost Arts of Cyber Angel Ida 10, so that's great. Anyway, let's get on to the main box here. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like this video if you like this content, and as well as this awesome box right here. And let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestion for a pack opening or so. That would be great. Oh, it's like upside down. That's kind of weird. But alright, we'll just get on with it. But that was kind of weird. It's upside down. Usually it's up to... Yeah, that's weird. Anyway, we'll just get on with it. And we already know what we have in this card, in this set, so I'm not really going to read it, but it's more of a hollow. Oh, Liberal Master, Doom Broker. And yeah, there's some other cards here that crazy cards like the Dark Magician Knight thingy here, which I don't know what it's called. And then Liberal Master support as well. So if you're building around that, that's great. Okay, and Ghost Trick as well if you're building that. Oh, okay. And then Dynamorphia, which I forgot about that card as well. Nordic Smith. Let's see if I can pull any Starlight. Nordic Relic. XYZ Combine. So one Ultra so far, which is the very first pack in the set. Dynamorphia, S-Force Retroactive, oh, DDD Diverser, King Doom Machinex, cool, another DDD support. Though I don't really build the deck, so. And I don't know what the price of that right now. Vampire Fascinator. Libromancer Agent. Skip the card. Oh, secret rare, the Zombie Vampire. Nice. It's a nice looking card right here. If I got the whole case, probably I could have got like, possibly I got a Starlight, but oh wow, there we go. Look at that, we got a cover card on the playmat. If you see on the background, nice, 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 nice. Last pack on the right side. Ultimate Fusion for Blue Eyes, nice. And also, if you're watching this right now at this point, I appreciate it. And give you a little announcement right now. I am going to do another deck profile or new deck for myself. So I will do a deck profile once it's all completed. And yeah. And I'm pretty sure you guys already know this deck. It just, and I think I'm basically using another YouTuber's deck list, basically deck profile, and I'm definitely gonna credit this person once I do the deck profile on it on a video. So Dark Contract. Strick. Nordic Beasts. At this point, I'm not sure I'm gonna get a Starlight, but you know what? It's just a luck. It's literally like a Charlie in a Chocolate Factory right here. Okay, White Relic of Dogmatica. And let me know if you're actually building pure Dogmatica in this from this set. There are some support for this. Oh, Dinomorphia Kentragina. Nice. So we got 3 Ultras and 1 Secret. And I assume we're gonna have either one other Secret and another Ultra, or just Ultras. Or Prismatic. DD Griffin. Sorcerer. Another Nordic Relic. There's 3 more packs after this. Oh, wow, Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. Nice. That's a good pull right here. That's cool. I don't build Blue Eyes, but this is a beautiful card. And this is secret rare. That is awesome. Okay, so either another Ultra or maybe just all Supers. Probably one other Ultra, I think. Or possibly Starlight. I know I keep saying that. Yeah, Ice J Creation. Maybe Ultra in here. Oh, it is, yeah. Dragon Bite. Cool. Not bad. Oh. Mad Hacker. And the last pack right here, I should have tapped it, but it's okay. Definitely super. Nordic Relic. Oh well. That's pretty good. That's fun. Definitely I like this set. It's pretty fun to do it. If you want me to do this same set or different other set that you want me to do, let me know in the comment. But yeah, definitely a goop pull. Blue Eyes, Dinomorphia, and Zombie Vampire goop pull. So, yep, that's about it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.